Welcome students. So in this video we are going to learn lesson number 10, division of polynomials, practice set 10.2. So let us begin. Before starting with the sums, it is very important to understand what is degree of a polynomial. Now here write the greatest index of the variable in the following polynomial. First example is given. The greatest index of variable in the polynomial 3x square plus 4x is what? Now here index, what is index? Here you can see, if I will talk to 3x square, what is the index over here? Here the index is square, that means this raised to number 2. Okay, that is what index. So here x square is there and here just x is there, that means 1, and here x square means 2. So which one is greater? 1 is greater or 2? Of course 2 is greater. Okay, so next second example, the greatest index of the variable in the polynomial 7x cube plus 5x plus 4x raised to 5 plus 2x square is what? Now again the same thing, index you have to find out. Cube is there, here just x is there, here 5 is there, index and here square. That means which one is greater? 5 is greater. So now what is the definition of degree of a polynomial? The greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. This is given in your textbook, you can refer it. So now let us begin with 10.2 sum. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. First sum, x square plus 10y plus 24 divided by x plus 4. Now here explanation you have to write. X plus 4 into what number will give you x square? Here dash is there. What number will give you x square? Just now first consider simply x. First x only you have to consider. X into what number will give you x square? Y into what number will give you y square? Y. So y into y is equal to y square. Now we'll talk about this 4 which is there over here. Now second step is to multiply this 4 with the answer you got, that means y. So 4 into y is equal to 4y. So again same thing here, y square plus 4y you are going to write. Okay, so this thing I'll tell you over here. Now y square plus 10y, and again the second is y square plus 4y. See this one you are supposed to write over here. Now what is the answer you got in the first step? Y. So write in the y as a quotient. Then the next step is, here addition symbol is there and here also addition, so plus plus becomes. Now here what is the thing, I'll tell you. In the previous video also I have told you, the last sign which is there changes. If it is plus, then this will change into minus. If this is plus, again it will change into minus. See, now you will tell here why I have wrote here plus sign and why I have subtracted here. If I am writing here plus sign, then why I am subtracting here 10 minus 4, I'll tell you. Okay, now see here we have changed the sign as minus. This changed the sign and the first one, see this first one sign and the changed wala third one, that you have to refer. Now in case plus minus, what will be there? Plus minus minus. So here I have subtracted 10y minus 4y. So I got here 6y. Now you will tell why I have added here plus sign. Because if we are considering this minus and this plus, then here greater sign, कौन सी इसका बड़ा साइन है? प्लस का, क्योंकि प्लस के आगे 10y है. बड़े नंबर का साइन वो यहाँ पे लगता है. Okay, now you are supposed to take this 24 as it is down, then so 6y plus 24. Now second step, y plus y plus 4 into what number will give you 6y. Now here, first as I told you, consider just y. So y into what number will give you 6y? Y is already there. So means 1 is there. Y means just single 1 is there. So 1 into what will give you 6y? 6. Y into 6 will give you 6y. Yes. Then next one is 4. Now consider 4. 4 and this answer we got. So 6 into 4, 24. Yeah, that's what I have wrote over here. 6y plus 24. Now, you are supposed to write this 6 as a quotient over here. And the next step, 6y plus 24, this thing you are supposed to write over here. This is plus. Now here this sign will change, it will turn into minus. See, now second thing, we are getting over here exact number, so there won't be any reminder. But sign, if you will talk about sign, same thing here also I will tell you. Here plus and here minus, so you will subtract 24 minus 24, 0. Now here again bigger sign is for plus, then you will put here plus only. Okay, now here you will tell we have got 0 plus 0, but in the reminder why we have wrote just simply 0. If you write 0 plus 0 also, then the answer would be same. Your reminder is not going to change. You can write 0 plus 0 also, you can write 0 also, simple. And the quotient is y plus 6. Now let us begin to next sum. Yeah. 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9 divided by 2m minus 1. Okay, now explanation you are supposed to write. 2m minus 1 into what number will give you? Again here dash is there. 2m minus 1 into what number will give you 2m cube? Now first we will consider just 2m. 2m into what will give you 2m cube? 2m into 2m into m square. Just here single one is there, we want 2 more, so m square will come over here. Now we'll talk about this minus 1. Here minus 1 is there, remember that thing. So minus 1 into m square you are supposed to do. That means during multiplication always remember that minus and in, if you have two signs minus and plus, then minus 1 is greater, so product will get minus sign. 2m cube minus m square. Now you will write this m square as a quotient over here. Write 2m cube, here plus is there, again here plus is there, then this sign, second sign will change and it will become minus. Now minus is there. Now again your first one plus is there, so plus minus minus, so you will subtract this, you will get the product, you will get the answer as 0. Now next thing, m square also we calculated, so plus m square is given over here, here minus m square is given. See, we got here minus m square. Signs are very important in this case. So now this minus will change as a plus. Now after changing, we will see now. Now here we'll consider first and third. Always you have to consider first and third sign. So plus is there, so definitely we'll add this. M square plus m square is 2m square. Now we'll talk about this sign. Now you will tell here it is plus and here it is minus. So what we have to consider over here? Here you have to consider plus. Now we have not calculated, in the first step we have not yet calculated m plus 9, so we will take it down. So 2m square plus m, now we have to calculate that. So 2m minus 1 into what number will give you? 2m square. So, so now here 2m minus 1. First we'll consider 2m. 2m into what number will give you 2m square? 2m into m will give you 2m square. Now here we'll consider now minus 1. Minus sign is there, so remember it. Minus 1 we are going to consider minus 1 into m. What is that? Minus 1 into m minus m. So this m, here we got it m, that we have to write as a quotient. See, written over here. Then next step is to write 2m square minus m. So now here also plus is there. That means the second sign will change and it will become minus. Then next thing, if minus is the, if here plus and here plus and here minus, that means subtraction will do. So here 2m square minus 2m square is 0. Now this will go to m now. Plus m is there and minus m is there. This minus will change as a plus again over here. Then we have to consider first and third. So plus will be plus. So you have to add it, m plus m to m. Now we'll talk about the sign. Here also we are going to consider first one and this one. So what is the sign? Bigger number का sign है m. We are going to plus. So 0 plus 2m and this again 9 you are going to take it down over here. Then now third step is to calculate 2m plus 9. So now we'll get it. Okay, 2m minus 1 into what number will give you 2m. Now we'll talk about this 2m only. 2m into what number will give you 2m? You will tell if the values are same only. Then what is required? 1. If the values are same, you have to put the 1 over there. Got it? If the values are same, you have to put 1. So now minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So this 1 you have to write as a quotient over here. And this 2m plus 9, we have not got here exact value. See here, 9 is there and here minus 1 is there. So some reminder will come. Now here 2m plus 9 and here this is also plus. 2m minus 1. Now plus will change into minus and afterwards this minus plus and minus what? Minus. So we will subtract 2m minus 2m and this plus 9 and minus 1, again this sign will change, minus का plus हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. You have to consider first and third, plus will become plus. So 9 plus 1 10 and the sign of the greater number, that is plus. So 0 plus 10 you will write over here. So quotient we got m square plus m plus 1 and the remainder we got 0 plus 10. Now let us move towards next sum. 3x minus 3x square minus 12 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube divided by 2 plus x square. Now if you will see over here, the numbers are arranged in descending order according to the index. यहाँ पे 3 है index, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. Just a second ना. यहाँ पे 1 है index and here कुछ भी नहीं है. So these are arranged in descending order. Now over here if you see, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पे 4 3. This is not the way. So one rule is there. Arrange the terms in descending order of indices. This is a very important point. If the index are not arranged in descending order, then you have to arrange these terms. You have to arrange these terms in the descending order. Okay, so therefore what will be the descending order? x4 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 12 divided by x square plus 2. Okay, now let us begin with the explanation first. Here first we'll take x square plus 2. Now first we'll take x square Now if you will talk to x square into what number will give you x raised to 4? यहाँ पे 2 है और 2 चाहिए, यानी कि x square into x square will give you x raised to 4. Now again this 2 you will talk with 2 into this product we are going to do. So 2 into x square, that means 2x square. See, this we got. We'll move towards now our main thing. So now what you are going to do, x square we got, see here we got as a x square, write it as a quotient and this whole term will go. See, I'll tell you where it will go. X square you will write over here, and this term, this x4 is there, first we got, so here plus is there, here plus is there, second का sign change हो जाएगा, it will turn into minus, and here if first is plus, then plus minus हो जाएगा, x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, 0. Now this x cube I have taken down, because if I will look very carefully you will understand here what you got, 2x square you got. यहाँ पे 2x square है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्यूब है सेकेंड टर्म, तो हमें वहाँ पे कुछ छेड़छाड़ नहीं करना है, वो x क्यूब हमें वैसे ही नीचे लेके जाना है, और जहाँ पे क्यूब है वो हमें नीचे लेके जाना है, और जहाँ पे स्क्वायर है वहाँ पे हमें अपना फर्दर कैलकुलेशन कंटिन्यू करना है, क्योंकि हमारा जो आंसर है, सी दिस वन इज इन स्क्वायर, सो वी हैव टू डू दिस इन, ये जो वैल्यू है वो हमें स्क्वायर के नीचे ही डालना पड़ेगा. सो हियर माइनस 3x square and we got it plus 2x square. So this plus will get changed into minus, and here minus is there and minus is there, so minus will become plus. So addition करना है, 3x square plus 2x square 5x square, and यहाँ पे bigger sign is what, minus, so you will put here minus. Now what you got here, now these terms also you have to carry forward down, no need to put arrow each and every time, but it is understood clearly, you have to carry forward it down. Okay, see these terms also you have to carry forward down. Now next thing is we will calculate now what, this x cube. So let us go, x square plus 2 into what number will give you x cube. Now x square will talk about first, x square into what will give you x cube, x square into x will give you x cube. Now we'll talk about these 2. Now 2 into x is what, 2x. Now here, so what is there here, remember 2x is there and here just x, so this x will come in place of quotient and these 2x will be written over here. 2x से पहले मैं आपको एक बताना चाहती हूँ, x क्यूब भी है हमारे पास, पहले x क्यूब कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे प्लस है, यहाँ पे भी फर्स्ट में भी प्लस है, ये जो सेकेंड प्लस विल गेट टर्न इनटू माइनस, एंड दिस माइनस विल प्लस माइनस, तो ये सब्सट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा, एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स क्यूब हो जाएगा, और बिगर साइन है इसलिए प्लस का साइन लग जाएगा, 0. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, यहाँ पे -5x स्क्वायर है नेक्स्ट वैल्यू, लेकिन हमें क्या मिला है, सिर्फ 2x मिला है, हमें स्क्वायर वेयर कुछ नहीं मिला है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, वो वैसे की वैसे ही छोड़ देंगे. -5x स्क्वायर हम लोग नीचे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर लेंगे, और ये जो अभी x वाला पार्ट है वहाँ पे हम लोग अपना नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेशन कर लेंगे. +3x इज देयर, वी गॉट +2x, सो दिस सेकेंड प्लस विल turn into minus, and this first plus and this third sign you have to look, then this will also be minus. Now this will also be minus, see here this second will change here, minus, and first plus and this minus we have to consider, plus minus minus subtraction हो जाएगा. So 3x minus 2x is what, simple x, that means 1x, and here bigger sign है 3x का प्लस, सो यहाँ पे भी प्लस लग जाएगा. नाउ ये जो 12 है वापस कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर लो. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट 5x स्क्वायर. Now x square plus 2 into what number will give us minus 5x square? So now here first we'll talk about x square. X square into what will give you minus 5x square? X square into minus 5 will give you minus 5x square. Now we'll talk about this 2. 2 into minus 5 is what? Minus 10. So here just minus 10 is there and here minus 5 is there. So now let us begin. Minus 5 will be written as a quotient and this 10. Now first we'll do this 5x square. Minus 5 square is there and we got minus 5x square. Now this second minus will get turned into plus. माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. उसके बाद फर्स्ट माइनस और थर्ड प्लस. ये अगर हम देखेंगे तो प्लस माइनस माइनस, इसलिए 5x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x स्क्वायर सब्सट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा. वी गॉट द आंसर एट 0. ख़त्म. अभी जो x है वो हमें कुछ मिला नहीं है. x नीचे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर लेंगे और यहाँ पे हम लोग फर्दर कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे. -12 वी गॉट -10. फर्स्ट माइनस इज देयर, सेकेंड ऑल्सो माइनस. सेकेंड माइनस टर्न हो जाएगा प्लस में और फिर ये जो फर्स्ट माइनस और प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, सब्सट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा. 12 माइनस 2 10 और बिगर का साइन है माइनस, सो बिगर का साइन लग जाएगा. अभी आप कहोगे कि हमें तो x भी मिला, -2 भी मिला. अभी कैसे मीन्स हाउ विल यू कम टू नो दैट वेदर द सम इज एंडेड और नॉट? आई विल टेल यू. Here just we got x minus 2 simply. Here we got x square plus 2. Okay. So जो हमारा यहाँ का नंबर होता है उससे छोटा हमें मिलना चाहिए. एज अ रिमाइंडर, हाँ, x यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है, हमें सिर्फ x मिला है. दैट मीन्स वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड अवर division is being finished over here of this sum. This is the explanation. Quotient is this, reminder is this.